Cock-a-doodle-doo. Good morning. Hello, everyone. Good morning to you. I'm Randy. So let's see us to do. So everyone, get out your phone and let's start off our morning. Get off your laptop and sing. And sing. Randy Show. All my friends is here. It's the Randy Show. Everyone is here. It's the Randy Show. Everyone is here. It's the Randy Show. It's the Randy Show. It's here. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. What a great day. Count as me the others. Hi, everyone. Oh, hi, Randy. Hi. So, what happened to you? Oh, you see, I have. What's that weird noise? Well, you see, guys, I have. Let me see. Tick tock, ding! I have an idea. You have hiccups. And I have my phone right here. I'm gonna call the hiccup specialist. Beep, 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 beep. Done. Hello, this is hiccup specialist. What do you want? Yes. My friend Randy has hiccups. Oh, okay. So I want you to help Randy with his hiccups. Okay, I'll be right there. Thanks. Bye. Beep. So what's the news? He's gonna say that you're gonna lose your hiccups. Yay! Ding dong. I think he's here. That was quick. BAM! A.T., I think you broke the fourth wall. Okay, sorry. Did I just hear a explosion? A.T. broke the fourth wall. Okay, my name is Double P Head. Oh, thanks. So this is Randy, huh? Yes, Randy Raccoon. Okay. So you see it. Boo! Ah! Wait. That was nice. The hiccups are gone. Yeah, right. You think Oh no. Dun 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 dun. The Randy Show was a production of Chris TV.